Only a fuck up the music. Not them. Them a sing fuck him but only a play. Fuck off. Dead.
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, brothers and sisters, viewers, subscribers. And so I say, well, if I love you know, lion put it another vlog. Yes, man, a peace and love is a unity. Right across the world, empathy, diversity, equality, equity. See, help someone if you can. Yes, man. Now, my viewers and subscribers in this episode, I don't know, Beenieman was at Boom Sundays and you know, he reach out one of my can share his frustration, share his opinion. Each one is entitled to their opinions. So big up Boom Boom, big up Ariat, big up Beenieman, big up all the lovers of dancehall and reggae. See? So we're going to talk about that and I don't know, share my little who feels it knows experience and my little 2 pence, 2 cents. So answer? Yes, man. So we are forward back after the break.
Child on man a beat right now. Just taking the grip on my feet right now. The whole world want to see it right now. Them a tell me say me style complete right now. Child on man a beat right now. Just taking the grip on my feet right now. The whole world want to see it right now. Them a tell me say me style complete.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, don't forget to like and share the content. See? Yes, man. So you don't know Jordan, here Jordan. And me and Real Scale, that Rasaimeric Real Scale. Let's see me Boom Boom do the intro. And the reason why I drop this, that for the ad break, we're going to also talk about it. And, you know, yes, I'm going to leave the link in the comment section where you can listen to the full song. Yes, man, there's a lyrics video, you see me? Edited by me. You see what I say? Yes, man, so big up Askel. You see, my brother. Now, my viewers and subscribers, hear what Beenieman said when he on the microphone to Boom Boom them. And the whole world, the audience.
You have chop hip hop, you have chop pop, you have chop bop. So everybody just put chopping and everything. So then we don't have no more music. I only play, they don't chop up dancehall. Don't blame we, blame yourself.
Yeah.
I want to know, man. When man bring dancehall song come go, don't play. They don't know I want to play. When man bring dancehall song come go, don't play. When they play the trap dancehall. When they play the man, they now come on the party, you know. And we were there, we now play we. The man they were there, only play them. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. And them a fuck up the music. That's why you know still. The man we are talking about, yo, they have a girl I want to bring and them man they want to play everything. We are fighting for dancer. How much time I buck you and Boom Boom and you? How much time I buck you and Boom Boom and you?
Need it.
The man never now follow that. Them want to play that. I only have fuck up the music. Not them. Them a sing fuck him but only a play. Fuck off.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Say, yeah, Boom Boom and share is Beenieman. Share this frustration, say, boy. You know, I'm mash up the dance. The artists never do it, sing the trap and the slackness and the batty wash and the gun and the killing and the scamming and all everything there. Big up every artist, you know. Lionfoot nah fight against no artist. Lionfoot respect every artist, young, old, boss, who no boss yet. So I say, you see it. So everybody entitled to their opinions, everybody entitled to sing where they want to sing. Every selector DJ entitled to play where they want to play. See, so basically Beenieman I say, yo, them mash up the dancehall. No good music now come out again. We also saw a popular disc jockey, see, from America, them name me, you see me, they did cry out and say them need good music. Several DJs, you see me, they did cry out. So they want some good music style, good music now make again. See, so Beenieman that the dance and them get frustrated. I be a chop in my ear a player. Why is that? Because money appear. But if you get to the point and give it real number of viewers and subscribers, the music never play because money appear. If you not give no money, good luck for your good song, it's not going away. And that reach me. You see me? Beenieman them boss already, rich already. And all of the veteran artists them rich already and boss already. So them now have to pay for them song play. See, unless them want to tap up the selector or the DJ. Because the disc jockey, the radio presenter, them say, yo, well, I look for food there, but when they bust already, it's up to you if you want to keep it genuine, you see me, and be real and kind, and yeah, man, and money, because you don't know, encouragement sweet in labor. Nothing wrong with artists giving selectors money to play them song. You see me, but enough good song now play where the artists them not struggle like myself, yeah. You see me? Sing good music, but now I get the support. Enough DJ and selector me email me song them too. Well, me have a long list of email and I now play them. Only time some of them play them, I when me pay money. You see me? You see it? I mean, I have it every time to pay, figuring about the money to play my song. You see me? So Beenieman have a point there, so. Seeing so Beenieman say, them have the bad music I play and them have play it, so them have mash up the music too, the selector them. See? So after Beenieman set up my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Beenieman right or agree with Beenieman, because in the crowd, you know, I hear a few people in the audience, I say yes, that's true, them agree with Beenieman, what Beenieman was saying. Seeing? So once again, big up all of the young artists, them we are boss, we are get them breakthrough now. My Apple phone, you see me, I say, yes man, so make use of it and help on yourself and stay away from crime and violence. So after Beenieman make him speech, hear what Harry Hype said.
Beanie.
None!
Beanie. We tell you something now. They don't look at that word. Listen to King, you know. You see like COVID, all the real dancehall artists now do the music. Me ever tell you what go on. And that's why them fuckery start playing. Because me can't play nothing else. Yeah.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I hear Harry Hype say, him nah get no, during the pandemic, him nah get no song from the artists, them, the big artists, them bust already. Him nah be just the young artists, them, he might get the foolish song them from the fuckery song them. That's why I want to play them. That was Harry Hype response. So viewers and subscribers, let me know if you don't think, or if you don't agree with Harry Hype with what I say. I don't believe that, because you don't know, the big artists them have them PR or whoever send out them email. So when they do a song, them blast it, you see me? So Harry Hype say him nah get no song. So that's why him say him nah get no song. So him only a play when him get during the pandemic from the young artists them. Let me know if you don't agree with Harry Hype or just find a way out. You see me? So after Harry Hype make him speech, hear what Boom Boom has to say.
In you talk, I talk. Me have a talk now. I'm telling this Beanie. I'm not a fucker. Fucker me a chat now. Beanie. So the youths then, I have to give them a helping hand. You hear that? Yeah. Because watch on the Beanie. They have to play the youth them song, give them an open life. You hear that? So the youth them do the music, and the music that's out there, hold on the Beanie, hold on them by the Beanie. You have to remember Beanie, the youth them walk in. So we have to play the youth them song. But the youth them get a hopes, but the youth them are turn to crime and violence. No, you have to understand Beanie, because you have to act the way up in your fuckery. You see me? One last give me a song. Now what do you give me a song? I'm not going to sing when I'm going to play 2 songs then though. No. The youths them, we have to endorse them. Talk now.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, yeah, boom boom say yo, the young artists them need support. Them need a way out to stay away from crime and violence. Rightly so. Well said boom boom. You see me? Every youth deserve a chance. As I answer my viewers and subscribers, and boom boom say he might bust the youth, them might help the youth them. You see? And you don't know you can't help everybody, but you see Boom Boom, I have big respect for Boom Boom and Harry Hype, because, you know, yes man, I want this. You see, big up the whole grand spin. You see me, I say, you know, Boom Boom from England, went back to Jamaica and got boss in a selecting, see? So, viewers and subscribers, you have to keep it real, you know. You see, if you don't pay your song, now play. If you don't fuck up your 50 or your 70 or your 100 pack, your song not playing. I saw the thing set. You see me? If you just speak it real as it is. When I say artists to get a one play when I have the money in the boat. You see me? Or if you stand up in the dance, let me give you a 1 run or 1.5 run if you stand up in the dance. As the way you hear Beenieman say. Them in the dance, them song now play. And who not there, them song a play. Why is that? Because money pay. You pay your money, things and times. When you pay your money, you know if you stand up in the dance. Then when your song have to play, because visuals are going there. Or you send out your team. You see me? You support your team. You send the team, them go stand up for catch video footage. But your money pay, so your song have to play. If your song not play, trouble there. You see me? Yes. a Vibes Cartel can change the game and beat enough select and know say, yo, play my song, man, stand up in a dance and play my song. And now I get the money like that. You see me I say? If I get the money on the song you play, I beat him. You see me Vibes Cartel implement those in dancehall. Although them things are going for a long time, you know, from Bob Marley and them Badman or long time Badman there. You see me I say? Yeah, you see it. Yes, man. Some of you and subscribers, so this is the thing there. It's a boom boom now, play my song, the Jordan song, back to the Jordan song right now.
Style, Jordan man I be now. Take a look at me feet now. Dress code, son about dress code. Me Jordan hot yeah, me Jordan chinos.
So me I say, yeah man, boom boom play the Jordan song. 2018 we did that song there. Me and Askel wrote the song. We got the song, the rhythm built by Brilly, a selector, bad producer in Jamaica, Brilly on the beat. See, PM for build the rhythm, and when they build the rhythm and we have the song and thing, and you know, we are gonna work. I'm telling me I do some labouring works. I work on site, house, you see me? As a labourer, I clean up rubbish and them thing there. Big up ask him my brother. You see me I say? Big trade man, you see me? Yes man. So on the way up on the train now, boom boom do the when I take out him Jordan and I say, dead, you know, 1,000 years to pay your feet, you know. I say, ask him, watch out, you're so far that gotta work. Alright, because a book now, straight away the idea come to me, and I because a book and crap down look a speech check. A boom boom make. See it, send it to the engineer, I say, yo, add this in the song. You see me I say, as I hear the song, when we go back a quick flashback again.
Jordan, you know, brand new Jordan, I come out of the box, you know. 1,000 years to pay your feet, you know. Dead.
Yes man, so that added to the song, I reach out to Boom Boom, make him hear it and thing, and he must say, yo, to know how to get that on the body, you know. You see me? But anyway, we say, yo, we have the song, you know, boom, bang, bang. You get the song, and money Boom Boom are different. We had to give Boom Boom money several times, I think 3 to 4 times. You see what I say? And I saw the song play. If we never have no money, the song wouldn't play. You see me? I remember Boom Boom, we use him as part of the song as to introduce the song with them vocals. You see me? Yes man. And when we register the song, we make sure we get him name and put him as part of the song, one of the collaborators. You see me? So we can get him royalties whenever the song play. The song bad, but the song not get no play. The only time we play by Boom Boom, you know. And when you give him money, I'm going to fly from, so we get bookings, we're going to do a show at St. Elizabeth. See, in a Balaclava High School, and the promoter, big up everyone, the promoter. You see me, I say big up Real Askel who make it possible to you see me? Yeah, so the promoter, same like me saying who feels it knows, and you know, he booked me on the show. Professor Notes was the headliner. You see me? And we go there, flew to America, go do some promotion on the Jordan song, go to some stores, Foot Locker, and they tell me say, yo, reach out to Jordan, the LLC company, you know, they will like take it because it's a nice song. You see me? I will fly from New York and go to Jamaica now for the show and thing, and link up Boom Boom and thing, you know, big up YGP one camp same way. And link up Boom Boom and thing and Grand Spin and you know, all a vibe and thing and the song I play and you know, big up Andrew Black Studio, you see it? All Grand Spin, big up, yeah man, so. Viewers and subscribers and all of my fans them, just to be real, you know. You see if you know the songs them now get played if you don't pay, and it shouldn't be that way all the time, you see me? I know I said a selector or this track, you must get that money in, but come on, you know, the song to eat that song them I play because money appear. You see me? And that's why them not for that they dance, because them pay them money. You see me already? So the selector them get the money, the Boom Boom them, and other select, not just Boom Boom alone, you see it? Yes man. That's why I have to always big up Mama Ellis Kelly, you know, because the lady that play my song from 2009. I did the metal till 2018, 9 years later. You see me? And she give me artist feature, me and Deep Joy together, 2018. I'm going to meet her at Area FM. And to be honest and real, my viewers and subscribers, I never give this woman $1 when I meet her. All I give her, you know, we bring a little present for her and a couple of food from her for the farm. Big up for your look. You see me? And she said, I'm Marek, who's looking after your career? And I said, but mama and me one, you know. You see me? Yes, man, 2018, I have my Who Feels It No song, you know, and I have someone on board, big up Natty Dreads, and the PR who I was introduced to. It's a £3,500 to do the work. See, and get me to the breakthrough with the song. Cause I already do my work already with the song. But through me go link up with that PR, get introduced to that PR, you know. You see me, go around the thing, give me a couple of interviews on TV and, you know, and I got like, yo, me tell a story. You see me, go around the thing. And then I'm going to say, the DJ them say them can't let me choose so easy with that big song because them don't get nothing out of me yet. You think that fear my viewers and subscribers? That's wickedness. And that's how the business said. You see me, for artists now have them money. Young artists are them song, when they song good, it dead and buried. You see me? And it's so unfair. You see me? So let me know what you think my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Big up all of the young artists them, all who are saying them trap or whatever. I don't know why I put no business with nobody where they want to sing. You see me? I when I select and play. That's why I just do my thing independently. Yeah man, I release my song them by myself, you know, and I send them to the DJ them who get them and want to play them. Massive respect, you see me? I'm not pre nobody over music, you know, but I just saw the thing set, you know what I mean? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. They don't know, big up every artist, big up all of the young artists, them keep doing the thing, and you don't know, I want love to say unity. I just see that share that experience, you see me? And big up Boom Boom again, I respect for you, brother, you see me? Yes man, and that's the thing there. You keep it real on the back of feeling, and don't forget to like and share. I'm out.
Shout out man a beat right now. Just taking the grip on my feet right now. The whole world want to see it right now. Them a tell me say my style complete right now. Shout out man a beat right now. Just taking the grip on my feet right now. The whole world want to see it right now. Them a tell me say my style complete.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.